back to our channel, guys.
What's good, what's good, what's good? Welcome back to another video.
Today we are doing soap bubble art, as you see in front of us. We got everything set up today, you know, because Kay's always calling me out saying I ain't never got nothing ready.
Yeah, so she got everything ready.
Today, it's ready.
Sunday fun day, here we go. So on this one, what we're gonna be doing?
So in the cups, there is 3 teaspoons of water. Teaspoons or tablespoons? Tablespoons.
Tablespoons.
And now you're gonna add one.
I should have used the cheap soap.
I should have, right? 1 tablespoon. I don't have no cheap soap actually.
I know, they're both. Alright.
1 tablespoon of dish soap in each one.
Put in each one. And you can do as many as you want. Jay chose 6 because Jay wants all these colors.
Yeah, you know. If you guys are new to our channel, my name is Jade.
And okay.
And make sure you subscribe. Hit that bell.
Here we go. I don't know if you guys know, but I'll have the time never know what we're doing. Jay just comes and tells me.
Yep.
She said we're doing this. How many drops they said?
I don't know. Hold on. All right.
Just when I thought she was ready and had it all.
Give her today's post notification shout out while I look for this. It says 10 drops of food color.
And it's our post notification shout out goes to Javiano's World, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Shout out to you. Thank you for having your post notifications and comments and one done.
Thank you for showing love. We love that.
Yes, we do.
I'm trying to get that.
Love reading all your guys' comments. It's like one of my favorite things to do. It says 10 drops.
10 drops of each one?
Yeah, that's not a lot, baby.
That's not a lot? Oh, I already got some on me.
Oh, snap, bro. Why is stuff always like this happening?
That happened in the last video, too.
Alright, this one I'm going to add yellow and red.
Orange and what? What are you doing? Alright, now we got blue.
To make orange. I'm going to add red.
10.
With some blue. So we can make my favorite color, babe. What color is that? What color is my favorite color, babe?
Purple, babe, but I can't answer you because I was counting. You know I gotta count. Alright, so put all these colors away or just put them in front of us so they can see like which one is which.
Alright,
They
that's
can
the
tell.
cups, guys.
They can tell either way. Alright, now what we do?
We are gonna blow bubbles. That's so cool. Soap bubbles.
Oh snap, does it stay like that?
Yeah, that's what you want to do. You have to take the piece of paper now and go like this.
Oh, you see? Okay. And then what?
It's supposed to have color on there, but do you guys see anything? Because I don't.
Let me mix it up.
Why it just looks like soap? It don't look like.
You keep going too.
Got a little bit.
What's that? Paint? Oh my god.
I'm about to do this.
You guys, I can kind of predict the future already
Okay,
on how this one's gonna go.
Did you just see what I did? I blew it in here and then I blew it on my thing.
This is messy.
Oh snap. On to the next.
Oh, no. Why does it look? It's yellow over here. We're gonna do this. This joint's messy. Alright, let me see. Here it goes.
It's supposed to make like some cool art on here.
Just move the fruit coloring around. It's like stuck at the bottom.
I think that's what it is. Whoa.
Alright, Picasso over here with the bubbles. Watch this. Look at my bridge. I got 3 moons, full moons, just circles. They can't even see it in there. Basically, I will call this experiment a fail. Babe, let me put more color. Maybe we need like
I mean, I don't think
That
it's
much.
a fail because we made bubbles.
That much. Wasn't it supposed to be? I didn't know I could make bubbles. Wasn't it supposed to be colorful painting? We'll try this again, y'all. I added some extra drops. Ahora, let them.
I mean, I got some art going on here. Look. Don't forget to smash that like button
Lit.
for our beautiful
my bridge again.
experiments. Let me get some of your colors. Since experiments are dirty. Oh yeah, give me all your colors. Your colors is popping.
I told you my colors is lit, but stuff's not doing nothing. They say you do this, and it's supposed to be like.
I got
real
some
nice.
art going on. Look at this.
You got art going on.
Look. Ooh, girl, look at the Picasso.
Man, wait, they can't see. Can they see that? They can see that.
That's our soap art, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
But until next time, guys, we hope you like it. It was a quick little experiment. As you guys can see, I don't know what we did wrong, but you guys can
Well,
look it up.
Babe, I didn't. It's popping. Like, look at that. Like,
And that's how you do. What's this called
the
again?
soap art bubbles.
Soap art bubbles. Art bubbles. Did you catch me?
Yeah, I did.
I love you, babe. I'm sorry.